Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Triani Savitri with ID number 4101419016. Okay, and here I'm going to present about analysis of break-even point. Next, the data that will be analyzed is Sangkuriang catfish farming in Rantai Pau. This is the data of the fixed cost of the Sangkuriang catfish. The component of fixed cost is there is 7 component in here. There are water pump machine depreciation cost, cork tube depreciation cost, plastic plywood tube depreciation cost, net employee salary, electricity cost, and land rent. With this value of the fixed cost, and then from 7 component in here, we get the total component of fixed cost. We get the total fixed cost is 58 million blah blah blah. Next, we also have the variable cost. The data is like this. We have 3 components of variable cost. There is feed, drugs, and seed. With this volume and with this unit price and with this total price, so we get the total variable cost is 80 million 420,000 rupiah. And then next, we also have the data in here from this journal that the number of harvests in 1 year of fish rearing is estimated 43,500 tails with the weight of fish per tail is 0,215 kilogram. And then we also have the data that the price of 1 kilogram fish is 20,000 rupiah. Next, for the analysis of break-even point, we will use this formula. There are 2 formula that we will use. The first formula is BEP in unit equals to FC over P minus VC. FC in here is the total fixed cost. P in here is the selling price per unit. Unit that we'll use in this analysis is kilogram. Based on the previous data. And then VC in here is the variable cost per unit kilogram. And then the second formula that we'll use is the BEP in rupiah is equal to FC over 1 minus VZ over S. FC in here is same, that is fixed cost. VC in here is the variable cost in general. I mean the total variable cost, not variable cost per unit. And S in here is the total of selling price. Next, from the previous data, we have the given data that is FC. FC is the fixed cost. There is 58 million blah blah blah, and the P of or the selling price. I mean selling price per unit per kilogram of fish is 20,000 rupiah, and also we have the VC or variable cost from the previous data is 80,000. I mean 80 million blah blah blah, and then we have to obtain the VC per kilogram. The VC per kilogram is the VC total over the total fees, the total tails of fields times the weighted average of fees per tails. There is we have the VC is 80 million blah 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 over the 43,500. In here is the total tails of fees every harvest, and this is the 0,215 is the weight average per tails of fish. So we get the VC per kilogram is 8,000 blah blah blah. And then we have to obtain S is the total selling price. The total selling price is the from here 43,500. In here is the total tails of fish every harvest times the total average of every tails of fish. There is 0,215 kilogram times the price of fish per kilogram. There is 20,000 rupiah. So we get S is 187 million rupiah. Next, for the analysis of break-even point, we use the first formula and second formula. For the first formula is BEP in unit kilogram is equal to FC over P minus VC. We have to substitute from previous given this value. We substitute in this formula, and then we get the BEP in unit kilogram is 5,145,28 kilogram, and BEP in rupiah is equal to FC over 1 minus VC over S. We have to substitute the value of VC, the value of VC, the value of S, and then we calculate, we count, and so we get the BEP in rupiah is equal to 102 million blah blah blah. So the conclusion is Sangkuriang catfish will meet the break-even point condition if if the total fish that harvest is 5,145,28 kilogram, and the Sangkuriang catfish farming will meet the break-even point condition if the rate of price or the total selling price is 102 million blah 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 in here. The break-even point is the condition that the Sangkuriang catfish farming will get the profit and to avoid the loss. This is the minimal kilogram that have to harvest from the Sangkuriang catfish farming, 5,000 blah 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 kilogram, and this is the minimal total selling price of Sangkuriang catfish farming that have to get to avoid the loss of this business. From the search of data, I use the journal from the Randi Tangdiala 2019. The title of journal is Analysis Break-Even Point pada usaha budidaya ikan lele Sangkuriang di Rantepao. Okay, enough presentation for me. I'm sorry if there is mistake and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.